Hey, I'm Jennet Ingle, the 5-minute read maker. I have a confession. I've been kind of coasting on reads this spring. I had a whole bunch in my case before I did my Mendelssohn concerto, and I've kind of just been riding out the end of the season on those existing reads. And I'm so tired of the reads that exist in my case. I've been making reads for everybody else. I've been making so many reads, but not keeping them for myself. So right now, I'm committing to you and to me that I'm going to have 2 new reads in my case every single week. Maybe except for my 2 vacation weeks. I'm going to have 2 new reads in my case every week. And I'm going to post a little video about them to keep me honest. So last night I had a concert and I played a brand new read that I had just made that day. And this is that read. And there's a couple things I want to talk about. Thing 1, you know how when you make cookies at home and you're planning to bring them to a party, you're allowed to eat all the funny looking ones, right? You have to choose the pretty ones to take with you to the party to show off as your work product, but you eat all the funny looking ones. Well, similarly with reads, you know, if I've got a case full of reads that all look okay, those are the ones I'm going to sell, and the ones that are funny looking are the ones that I'm going to adopt and make my own. And indeed, this read really only has about half of its tip on one side. It's distinctly funny looking. But I played it last night and it actually felt super great and I really enjoyed it. And it played super great in the way that a read that is too long often plays. Like, you can look at it now, and as I'm looking at it now, I can see that the tip looks dangerously unbalanced, and the heart looks pretty heavy, and it's also asymmetrical. On this side I've got a long heart that's pretty thick, and on this side the heart is much shorter and not that thick. And indeed, the reed crows high and it feels stiff. You wouldn't think that a high crowing reed would need a clip, but that's clearly what this reed needs. It's just not got a lot of vibration. And this, I feel like, is a very common thing. When I finish a read fast, it tends to have a real long tip, and it plays great the day of, but then somehow overnight that stiffens up, and the balance changes, and that super long tip isn't going to work anymore. So I need to clip it. In order to clip it, I need to bring the crow down. So I'm going to do that by working the symmetry. I'm going to shorten the heart gently on this side and thin it gently. And I'm just going to make sure that the corner of the tip is the thinnest part. And this side I don't really need to do much. Maybe I'll just clean up the back and go to the corners of the tip, because it's never going to hurt you to take a little more off the corners of the tip. Interesting. I lowered my crow a little bit. I want it down just a little bit more. That's better. Quick clip. Now I've got a slightly more vibrant crow. I'm going to put it on the oboe. So that's my read for today. So I'm going to post this video here at YouTube, but I'm also going to post it over on my Facebook page at Jennet Ingle Oboist. And my thought is, I'm going to hashtag it, 2 reads a week. And maybe you would like to join me in this challenge. Maybe you too would like to post about your 2 reads a week this summer and stay motivated and stay working on reads. Of course, if you want to order reads, take the easy way out, you can find me over at jennetingle.com, and you can order cane or reads or read tools or whatever. Of course, I've also got an oboe read bootcamp this summer. That's a thing that you could also look into from my site, jennetingle.com. But meanwhile, find me over on Facebook and tag me if you also post a 2 reads a week video or photograph. I look forward to communicating with you, and I'm going to post more and more and more videos, probably mostly over on my Facebook page. Have a great summer, and thanks for watching. Bye!